Hey guys, I'm so excited because today I'm going to be reviewing the Tati Beauty palette. I'm so happy for Tati and I'm just so excited to review this palette. I'm going to first show you the inside of the palette, which is absolutely beautiful. It's so beautiful in person. I feel like, on screen and the swatches that you see on screen, it looks so beautiful, but it is a whole nother level in person. And with many of these colors, there's like another level of depth and dimension that just doesn't get captured on camera. I'm going to try my best to like show this in different lighting so that maybe you can kind of see the sort of duochrome. And in some cases, it's multiple color shifts that you're observing. The layout is just so comprehensive, it's so organized, it just makes sense. And I think that, you can tell the level of thought that really went into this palette, so I think that is something to really be appreciated. So in that regard, for this palette being for, every day, and also having, the element with the glitters where you can amp it up for more glam looks. So today I'm going to do a more simple and wearable look for now because I have a meeting today, and so I'm not really comfortable wearing the glitter row, but I am pretty comfortable wearing, um, other shimmers such as the sequin or metallic rows. So right now I'm going to do a look with this palette that I feel comfortable wearing to a meeting. And then when I get home, which will probably be about 9 to 10 hours from now, I'm going to go into the glitter row and see like if I can take that look from a daytime look to a nighttime look, and also let you know how the look held up throughout the day. So first I'm going to go into the matte Soothe shade. And also the mirror on this is the nicest mirror in any palette I've ever seen. It's so nice that I can clearly see what I'm doing. So I'm putting the matte Soothe shade sort of in my crease. And it is very pigmented so far, and it's blending very easily. I'm also going to take that and just go underneath my lower lash line. Yeah, so basically I'm just putting this um, above my crease, and then I'll be adding some deeper colors to add more dimension to the look. So if you're new here, I'm a chemist who loves makeup, and I did want to talk about some of the ingredients in this palette that I think make the formulas spectacular. So these matte shades do contain 3 derivatives from coconut. One is laurel lysine, and that is very skin softening, and it also is a binding agent. It's going to help keep the formulation together. So next I'm taking Matte Story. So she did say to tap off the excess. I'm going to take Matte Story, and I'm just going to work that sort of into the crease and just a little bit above the crease, blending it into the first shade that I put down. And again, this just blends so effortlessly. And another coconut derivative is caprylic triglyceride. So this is made by reacting coconut oil and glycerin. This smooths the skin. It's an antioxidant. It is an emollient. It also keeps ingredients together. It's an antioxidant, and it also boosts shelf life. Okay, next I'm going to take Matte Ritual, and I'm going to deepen the outer portion of my eye, and just really the outer portion of my eyelid, and also go up into the crease a little bit, but I'm really going to focus it on the outer portion to add depth and dimension there. I really appreciate how buttery and easy these are to blend, because I've definitely used colors in this area before, in the outer area, that are just so hard to blend, but I can tell that this is just blending very easily. Okay, so I know it looks kind of crazy now, but I'm going to blend that out. So with nothing on my brush, I'm going to take this Morphe Y19 brush and just start blending this out so that there's no harsh lines. And then I'm also going to dip into the lightest shade in the palette, the Aura shade, to help blend that as well. And then lastly, another coconut derivative is caprylyl glycol, which is a fatty alcohol. A lot of people see alcohols in cosmetics and immediately think that they're all bad and that they're all drying for the skin, but the fatty alcohols actually are very conditioning. So this is a skin conditioning agent. It's also antimicrobial, and then it is also a humectant. I'm now dipping into the Aura shade with that same brush, and I'm just going to go underneath my brow bone with that and just make everything look even more seamless. This will kind of serve two purposes: to highlight under the brow bone and to blend everything out even more and make it look more seamless. Caprylyl glycol is also a humectant, meaning that it's going to hold on to water, meaning that it's going to help prevent water loss, which will help the shadows from creasing as well. Okay, I think what I wanted to do now is go into Metallic Story all over my lid. That is so pretty. I really love this. It's really pretty, and I'm impressed that I'm not having issue with fallout. So now I want to create a bit of a halo eye effect. Now I'm going to go into the Aura Sequin shade, which I'm so excited about. It just looks so beautiful. I'm going to tap that right in the center, just above my pupil. That is so pretty. And I love how that just adds light there, and it's so pretty. I absolutely adore that shade. It's just, this would be perfect. So like if you're someone who, you know, you don't want anything too shimmery for every day, this would be perfect because it honestly looks pretty matte, but just like when the light hits it a certain way, it just has a really beautiful sort of sheen and reflection. And it's really beautiful. I think would be very work appropriate. Then I'm going to go into the Aura Metallic and use that in my inner corner. Now I'm going to move to the lower lash line. So first I'm going to take Matte Story, and I'm going to place that underneath the lower lash line and focus on blending that out. And then I'm going to take the shade Ritual, and I'm going to keep that closer to the lash line. And then lastly, I'm going to take the Story Metallic shade and run that underneath my lower lash line, sort of concentrating that on the center. Alright, so now I'm going to apply mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's how it looks with mascara. I love how the look turned out. I actually used the Collab Beauty mascara. This is actually something that Tati recommended on her channel, and it is honestly my favorite mascara. It's wonderful. This is the Works mascara, Wow Effect, in Extreme Black, and this I just think is so beautiful. I've gotten a lot of compliments whenever I wear this mascara, and it's become my favorite mascara. So I really love how the eye look turned out. I am going to go ahead and put some lipstick on. So I think a lipstick that would look really beautiful with this is the ColourPop Disney Designer Collection lipstick in Ariel. It's sort of like a brownie nude with an orange undertone, so I think it would look really pretty with this look. So here's the finished look. I really love how it turned out. I personally feel very comfortable with this for giving my presentation today. I know some people probably wouldn't feel comfortable at all wearing any shimmer. Maybe you would want to stick to the matte shades. But I think that you could create an absolutely beautiful look with just the matte shades. And then if you maybe just wanted something with just a little bit of reflection, just a little bit of light there, you could add the sequin shade in Aura, and that would be really beautiful. But for me personally, I do feel comfortable wearing this. So if you're new here, I'm a chemist. I'm actually working my PhD in chemistry. So I research at a university, and today I do have a meeting where I'll be presenting, and it is more of a casual meeting, but I do feel very comfortable with this makeup for that. I feel like the look turned out really pretty. So again, tonight when I get home, I'm going to first let you see how it looks after wearing it all day. So it'll probably be 9 hours or so, 9 to 10 hours. I'll let you know when I get home how many hours it's been. I'll let you see how it wore throughout the day. Then I'll play with the glitter row and see how we can amp this up for more of a glam look. And so yeah, I'm really excited about that. Okay guys, so I know I said it was going to be like 9 to 10 hours before I did a wear test. So it has actually been 15 hours since I first put this eyeshadow on. I have not touched up the eyeshadow at all. The only thing I've done is just added a bit more lipstick. I haven't touched the eye area at all. Um, but it's been 15 hours because the power went off at my apartment complex and it's now 11 o'clock at night and I put this on at 8 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, it has been 15 hours. The power just came back on, and so I just really wanted to show you guys how well this has held up and just let you know just how impressed I am with this formula and how it didn't crease on me. So I actually do usually have issue with shadows creasing on me because I do have partially hooded eyes, but I have not had that issue at all with this, and I'm so impressed with that. Okay, and so now as promised, I'm going to play with the glitter row now, and oh my gosh, I don't know what glitter to use because they're all so beautiful. I think I'm going to play with a couple just to give you so that you can see more than one. So I think I'm going to first go into the Ritual glitter, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my lid. That is so pretty. This kind of reminds me a bit of the Marc Jacobs sequins. Um, I do have one color in that, and this does um, remind me of that, but I think that it's a lot more intense with the glitter and also with the pigment. So yeah, this is just really gorgeous. Okay, I said I want to play with two, but I might play with three. I'm next gonna put the Story glitter right in the center. Wow, these are just so beautiful. Okay, and then I'm really drawn to the Aura. I'm really drawn to the Aura glitter, so I really want to put that on the inner portion. Wow, that is so pretty. It has, the Aura one has, you know, all of them have sort of multiple, all of these have sort of multiple dimensions and multiple colors, but this one, oh my gosh, it has, I see green, I see pink. Um, I hope that it's picking up on camera because it's just so beautiful. I absolutely love the Aura glitter shade. So again, I just wanted to play with the glitter today and just show you how it would look, how you could take this from a daytime to a nighttime look pretty quickly by just adding one of the glitters to the lid. And I just think the glitters are so beautiful. I had very little fallout. You know, I had, you know, there was maybe a tiny bit, but I'm really impressed with how well it went on and how there was such little fallout. So I definitely want to play with this palette more and create more looks. So will you please let me know in the comments if you would like to see more looks with this. I would really like to create a video with 5 looks or more if you would like to see that, because I have many ideas of looks to create with this palette, and I'm just so excited about this palette and I'm so happy for Tati. So something that I didn't say at the beginning of the video that I wanted to share is that actually it was so cool when I first received the package. I live in an apartment complex and it was in parcel locker number 11, and I was just so excited about that it was in number 11 because Tati has talked a lot in her videos about how 11 is like a really special number to her and how it's her favorite number and it's like a symbol of, you know, good luck and just, you know, just a positive symbol for her in her life. So I just thought that was so cool that my Tati Beauty package came in parcel locker number 11. I was so excited about that. So yeah, I just wanted to share that, and I'm just so happy for Tati. This palette is so beautiful. The formula is just spot on for all the shadows. that I've tried. Again, I want to play with all the colors and create more looks. I'm just so happy for Tati and just so excited about this, and I just want to thank you so much for watching my video. If you did make it this far in my video, could you please leave me a purple heart down in the comments below, so that I can personally thank you for watching my video. And yeah, as you can tell, I'm just really excited. I just love this palette so much, and I really appreciate you guys watching. Please let me know if there's anything that I didn't answer. Will you please let me know in the comments if there's anything that I didn't answer that you would like for me to answer about the palette, if there's anything I didn't address, so that in future videos I can be sure to address that. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.